What's up, traders? We just released our price action toolkit, which takes technical analysis to the next level. This indicator combines all of your favorite ICT and smart money concepts and puts it all into one indicator. In this video, we'll cover all of the indicator's features and what they do. If you want access to this indicator for 7 days risk-free, check the link in my bio. First, go to TradingView and search for the Price Action Toolkit by FluxCharts and add it to your chart. The first feature of this new indicator is volumetric fair value gaps. This will plot fair value gaps and show the bullish versus bearish volume in that zone. The total volume of the zone will also be displayed while showing you a percentage ratio between buyers and sellers. You can use this information to filter out good and bad fair value gaps. Some other things in the settings include the invalidation of fair value gaps. You can choose between a candle close or wick below or above the zone. There's also other customization about fair value gap detections based on your trading style. There's a multi-time frame option for these fair value gaps, so you can view fair value gaps on higher time frames without having to switch between your chart time frame. This makes it super easy to see the bigger picture all on one time frame. Next, we've built in order blocks with volumetric information. Order blocks are areas where buyers or sellers are aggressively stepping into the market, and they can be used like supply and demand areas. Just like fair value gaps, these order blocks will show you the bullish versus bearish volume of the zone. You can also view these order blocks on multiple time frames, just like the fair value gaps, so you don't miss any key areas on higher time frames. Moving on, we added breaker blocks to the indicator. Breaker blocks are formed when order blocks are invalidated. And just like support and resistance, where support turns into resistance after being broken, the same logic applies to breaker blocks. When an order block breaks, it turns into a breaker block, and that can be used to spot market reversals. The order blocks show you total volume in these zones, so you can filter out weak and strong points of interest in the market. Just like the fair value gaps and order blocks, our breaker blocks work on multiple time frames too. We've also added all types of market structures you could possibly use while trading. This includes break of structures, change of characters, and a change of characters plus. Break of structures occur when price breaks a previous high or low in an uptrend or downtrend. This indicator will plot when there's a bullish or bearish break of structure. This will let you see the trend and have an idea of where the market is heading. Change of character, or CHoCH, is formed when a recent high or low is broken during an uptrend or downtrend. CHoCH typically indicates a potential market reversal or a change in the trend. And then we also have change of character plus, or CHoCH plus, and these are formed when a recent high or low is broken during an uptrend or downtrend, but before this happens, price fails to make a lower low or a higher high, resulting in a stronger confirmation of a price reversal to occur. Our indicator plots all of the bullish and bearish break of structures, change of characters, and change of characters plus. Another feature we've added is equal highs and lows. This indicator will show you when equal highs or lows are formed, and these can be potential indications of a market reversal. You can lower the ATR multiplier if you want to find more accurate but less frequent lows and highs. Moving on, we have buy-side and sell-side liquidity in this indicator. This indicator will be able to flawlessly detect buy-side and sell-side liquidity zones and plot them right on your chart. Buy-side liquidity zones show where people who've gone short in the market will have their stop losses, and the sell-side liquidity zones will show you where people who are long in the market and where they have their stop losses. We've also added premium and discount zones to our indicator, which will show you if price is in a discount, or better known, an area where the asset is cheaper than normal, and the indicator will show you premium zones where the asset is more expensive than normal. We also just added volume imbalances to the indicator. Volume imbalances are formed when there's a gap between two candles' bodies. These gaps are typically filled and can be used as areas where price is expected to come back to and fill. Lastly, this indicator shows you key levels where price is likely to have a big reaction at. This includes the highs and lows of the previous day, the previous week, the previous month, and the pre-market. If you enjoyed the video and you want to try out this indicator for 7 days risk-free, check the link in my bio and get started today. Thank you everyone for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.